Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I finally had a chance to play with the Mothership number 7 palette, and this is the Divine Rose number 1. I'm not gonna get into too much details of this palette. I will however go over the swatches, and I will guide you guys through on the application of my eye makeup look today. I tried out the new Rephr brushes from the concept store today, and I am happy with all of these brushes, and I will go over that briefly, but let's go over all of these shades first. So the first shade here is called Skin Show Nude, and this is described as a champagne platinum shade, and this color is just so gorgeous. I used it in my inner corner and it's just a gorgeous shade. I love it. Second shade on the first row is called Velouria, and this is described as a taupe rose matte color, and I used this as my transition shade today, and I am in love with this shade. And then the third shade is called Stable Bronze, and this is described as a luminous bronzed brown, and this swatched so magnificent. I am in love with the shade. I didn't get to use it today, but I know that this is a great standalone kind of lid shade. I love shades like these. It just helps smoke out any sort of eye makeup look. And then I decided to swatch the three regular shades from below. So the first one is Extreme Mahogany. This is described as a rich mahogany matte, and I use this on my very outer corners, and this is a great matte shade to just smoke out any sort of eye makeup look. I always appreciate dark mattes like this. It just helps complete an eye makeup look, in my opinion. The shade next to it is called Lovelace, and this is described as a luminous pink bronze, and I have this shade all over my lids, and it's just such a gorgeous all over the lid shade, just like this one, the bronze, the Stable Bronze one. It's just, I love this shade. The third one is Rose Dusk, and this is described as a mid-tone rose satin shade, and this color is gorgeous as well. This is another one of those shades that you can use it on the outer V or all over your lid shade. It's a gorgeous rosy shade. So we're getting down to the special shades from McGrath. So the first shade is called Refined Gold 002. This is described as gleaming golden platinum, and I haven't used this shade, but this is a gorgeous color. I feel like this is a good topper. And then the shade next to it is called Iridescent Pink 003. This is opalescent pale rose, and I used this actually as my highlighter, and it's just so gorgeous on any kind of pinky sort of blush. It's just a gorgeous topper as well. And then right below Refined Gold 002, this is the VR Rose Venus, and this is described as a golden rose dual chrome. So I don't really notice the dual chrome effect for this one, but this is such a gorgeous shade. I can't wait to use this one. And the last shade is my favorite shade from Midnight Sun palette. This is the Astral Solstice. This is described as a glittering platinum, and this is a great topper shade as well, and I just love this shade a lot. So let's now go over the process of my eye makeup application. The first color that I have decided to place as my transition shade is Velouria, and this is the second shade that I have swatched, and I use the blend-in brush 01 from Rephr, and this is a great brush to sort of place that color on my crease, and it's just performed amazing. I love this brush. And then just to deepen out my crease a little bit more and on my outer V, I went in with Extreme Mahogany just to help smoke out my eye makeup look. I went in with the same brush for that. So I took a lot of time just blending out the crease color to keep my eye makeup look as simple as possible. So I went in with Love Lace all over my lids with the 02 flat brush, and I love this eyeshadow brush because it just picks up eyeshadow really nicely. And to brighten up my inner corners, I went in with Skin Showed Nude, and I went in with number 28 brush. So I went in with my 28 brush, and so far I love all of the Rephr brushes. They blend and perform amazing on the eyes. And then for my lower lash line, I went in with all of the same colors, just kind of mimicking what I have on the top shade. So outer corner, Extreme Mahogany, and then a little bit of Love Lace on the bottom of my lashes, just replicating what I did on my top lid with the number 26 brush. Nicely domed shaped brush, and it's really pointy at the tip, so it helps place that color on my lower lash line just perfectly. So I really love this brush. And then the other two brushes are number 03 and 29, and I haven't really used these brushes, but yeah, they are great, I'm sure. Can't wait to use my gel liner with this brush, the 29, and I feel like this will be great to apply a brow pomade on my eyebrows. I will try that next time. But so far I am impressed with all of the brushes that I have used. So I have a little story to tell you guys. So Rephr have such a great customer service. So when I was watching the Rephr brushes reviews on most YouTubers here, they always mention this great looking brush holder box, and I thought that when I have placed order on their brush sets that I will get this for free, and I didn't. I got the brushes in the like paper box, and I was a little bit disappointed, so I decided to email them, and the lady that helped me out sent me a free brush holder box, which I really honestly wasn't expecting to get anything free. I just wanted to know if these brushes come with the box itself, and it didn't. So I was, you know, I just told her that, oh, I initially thought that these brushes, when I order them, that it will come with the free box. But in any case, they were so nice and kind enough to send me a free box. And so if Rephr brand is watching my video now, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for sending me this box. I honestly just wanted to keep these brushes safe in its own box because they are super expensive. So I just wanted to, you know, give them their own home. Anyways, that's the side story of the Rephr brushes and why I think that they are a great company, and I will be purchasing more brushes from them in the future. Finally, the blush brush number 04. I don't have many blush brushes, and I really love this one. It feels so soft, and I used my ColourPop blush today to apply on the blush day, and it's just works superb. It really picks up the color really nicely. So I would recommend investing in great brushes like this because it will last you for a long time. It's kind of an investment. So I really did enjoy playing with Divine Rose number 1. This palette reminds me, don't kill me now, but it kind of did remind me of Modern Renaissance palette a little bit because of the mauvey tones that are within this palette. It just reminds me, there are some similarities of this palette to Modern Renaissance. I'm not saying there are duplicate shades from this palette to this palette, not at all, but you can get similar looks from this palette using the Modern Renaissance palette. You know, this palette of course has so much more shade selections in here, but in any case, I hope I'm not disrespecting Mama Path in any sort of way. The formulation of these eyeshadows are like night and day. It's very, very different, but in any case, I respect both brands so far. ABH, however, they're having some sort of issue, and I'm not gonna get into that. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys enjoy my makeup look and the swatches and etc. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about the Divine Rose 1 palette. Do you already own it? Are you planning to purchase it? Because she's having, I think, another sale right now, 25 to 30% off. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Regardless, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.